I hope you love the intro that I made for you guys. So as you can tell based on those shots, I'm in New York, and in this video we're going to be talking about some pretty cool ways of finding clients as a content creator. So no matter if you're a photographer or videographer, any type of content you do and you're looking to make more money and you're looking for clients, keep watching this video. It's going to be a very friendly conversation where I actually show you how I get my clients, and hopefully it's going to be helpful for you to make some money out of all of the investment you've done on your gears and skills and talents you've got. So let's get into it. During the last couple of years that I've been creating content for different brands, usually the way it works is they reach out to me based on the videos that I've got. There's a whole bunch of other ways that I've provided on my website and also my YouTube channel to reach out to me. But what if there are specific brands that you want to reach out? Let's say if you want to make content, either photos or videos for like drink brands, for liquor, for toys, for food industry, and you don't know how to find the right client, and actually a prospective client, a brand that you can easily reach out and there is a high probability that they are going to be agreeing to pay you in exchange for making some awesome content for them. So this is what I'm going to be telling you, and this is the actual method that I use for my own brand in order to reach out to startups or different brands and giving them a proposal for making content and making a good amount of money. Alright, so I finally found a quiet place that we can just talk, and I can explain to you this method that I'm using for getting clients for shooting videos and photos. So there are going to be two pre-requirements for this method to actually work. First of all, you need to have a portfolio, at least 5 or 10 projects that you've done either for yourself, for your friends, for people you know, or for clients. So you need to have sample works done, okay? Once you have them, you need to make sure they're either on your social media so people can have access, either you're on your website or somewhere that people can be referred to, okay? After having those, you need a pickup paragraph. It's like a pickup line or a pickup paragraph that you're gonna use and send out in a way that I'm gonna be telling you. So don't worry about not having a pickup paragraph, because below in the description there's a link. You can go. I already have provided a 100% free template that you can customize based on the type of content you make and also the clients that you're going to be reaching out, and I'm going to explain to you how to do that. So once you have that ready and you have worked on the pickup paragraph that I provided below in the description, you take your phone, you go to your Instagram account, and in this step we are going to be telling the algorithm what type of clients we want to make content for. And the way this works is we go to the search section and we just search for the keywords related to that type of client, type it in, and I go and follow the results, stuff that are related. And this is going to tell the algorithm that I'm into this keyword, and just go like the content of those pages after following them, engage with them. And once you did that for at least like 10 or 15 pages, you go to the home page of your Instagram account and just start scrolling in your feed. So this is going to be mostly the pages that you follow, right? And what's going to happen is among those you're going to see the sponsored posts. People that are using Facebook campaigns to increase their brand awareness or have sales conversions, right? For example, I was looking for ND filters. Now it's just going to show me ND filter related commercials. Now, once you found the sponsored posts that are also going to be relevant to the type of content you just searched for and told the algorithm, you go follow them, engage with their contents, and after doing those, you go to the direct message and send them the template, the pickup paragraph that you just customize for your brand and your services, and also customize it based on that brand, like put their names or something relevant to their service or their product. Once you did that, you send that pickup paragraph to them, and then you send a link to a website or a landing page where you have your sample works. And now, or if you don't have a website, just forward to them a collection of your works on your Instagram account, or just don't overdo it. Send either 1 or 2 posts if you're forwarding their posts. And then keep doing this for 10 to 15 brands, because you don't want to get action restrictions and not being able to reach out to anyone. Do this for about 10 to 15 brands per day for about like 45 minutes top, after making sure they are the type of clients you want to do. And make sure the number of followers are less than 10,000, and even less, 1,000, 2,000 followers, or even less is going to be perfect, because there are going to be startups, there are going to be small businesses, the ones that want to increase their brand awareness, right? So that's the type of client you want to have when you're getting started. And the good thing about this type of client is they're going to keep asking for more and more if you are doing a decent job. And I can guarantee if you do this for about a week and you spend at least like 30 minutes to 45 minutes per day, you're going to start getting that traction and engagement. And there are different scenarios that are going to happen for every single reach out that you do. They either ignore you, which happens for like 50 to 60% of the brand that you reach out, which is okay. And for the rest that are, you're gonna get a response, it's either gonna be, oh, thank you, we don't have a budget right now, or it's gonna be, thank you for reaching out, we already have someone doing that. It's gonna be like, oh, thank you for reaching out, your work is awesome. Send an email here, send your prices, we're gonna reach out in the future if things change. Or that's the good news, and the good news is, oh, that's pretty cool, we're actually looking for someone like you. Please send an email, or let's schedule a meeting and let's talk about the details. Or they're gonna keep asking for more. So this is what we're looking for. And remember, the more you reach out, the chances are gonna be higher, because there's gonna be a sweet spot of conversion rates. Let's say every 10 messages you send out, there's gonna be one, or every 20, there are gonna be one or two. So depending on how good your work is, how good you have optimized your pickup paragraph. And if you do this, I can guarantee within the first week, you're gonna start getting that traction on your clients. This is what I did exactly for my brand when I was testing this method, and within the first month, I got at least 6 to 7 clients that I was making content continuously for about a month, and that's why I couldn't post anything on my own YouTube channel. So check it out. If you have questions, let me know below in the comments, and if you got results, also let me know below in the comments. And thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna just go back to the hotel, pack, and I'm gonna go back to Miami tomorrow. So thanks for watching. If this was your first time watching my videos, make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and like this video for the algorithm. Everything goes back to the algorithm, right? And until the next video, Mokhles.